recording a video too. It's a fail.
Hello.
Hi.
No.
Hey, I'm Andrea. I'm petting my weave. I look horrible right now. Looks like someone shit on my face. Stop! You're awful. Seriously, that hits my eye. It's gonna burn. It's not gonna be funny. Ah! No, it's gonna fall again. Shit. Fuck. You can't see my eyes. You can't see my eyes, you guys. Oh, you see the mouth. Smart. God, this is fucking pissing me off. No, I don't like this. What song is this? Oh, it's not Back in Black color. Like this song. This video is so boring.
Turkey sandwich.
Throw me a hot Cheeto.
Lettuce, tomato.
His mouth is off the wall.
My name is Tyler. Who the fuck are you? Well, my crew 2 miles, but I ain't Uncle Luke. And I ain't no hipster, girl. I can make you hipster. From Pittsburgh, smoke papers over Swisher. Welcome to the Campbell Chronicles. Looking how my mind it goes.
Huh?
I'm dodging obstacles. I can't be like the Bellagio.
Your headphones are so ghetto. It's ghetto. Did they get it? Tell them to hurry up, I'm bored. Why does half of my hair look lighter? Who does that? I swear to God you were high. I seriously think you're high. I think you're high. Who would do that?
Oh, just not because I was high. Why do you have
Go look retarded drinking out of like a fucking whole liter on camera. Look at this, it's like big as me. Okay, so what? Stop! Come here! Come here. Oh, thank you, I was cold. Why is it sticky? You know what, I think my hands are still sticky from the Sprite. Throw another hot Cheeto at me. Nope, failed. Stop it, I'm gonna throw this at you. What's in here? Coke? I'm gonna throw the plate at you, bitch. Can you get stabbed? You fail. Just stab you. Like, play Slender. You're gonna play Slender with me?
What?
Bye guys, I'm lame.